For our Tuesday tip, we are going to be making a template that can be used for 1/4 inch pivot points on Y-seams, on binding, or just on regular squares when we're quilting. It's super easy. All that you need is a piece of plastic of some sort. This is just off the cover of a book. I cut out a 2.5 inch square, but you want it so that it's not super flexible to the point that it doesn't hold its shape. It needs to be a plastic that holds its shape. So I've cut out a 2.5 inch square from my plastic, and I want to mark the pivot point 1/4 inch from this edge and 1/4 inch from this edge. So it's the point right here where you will do that pivoting. I'm taking my ruler that has that 1/4 inch marking on it right here, and I'm going to place the ruler just on the outside of the cut edge of the template. Now when we're doing fabric, we always place the marked lines on the fabric. For this, since our point that we're going to be making takes up some space, we want to allow for that. So I've got this placed here. I'm going to use my stylus, but make sure that whatever you use, you need a very sharp point. You don't want something that's easily damaged. This can damage the point of your stylus if you punch too hard or you use it often. Just make sure that you're okay with whatever you're using. Another tip that will work is an awl, or even the point of an old compass will work as well. So I'm taking my stylus and I'm going to find that exact point, and I'm going to make a hole in the plastic. I've poked it up a little bit. You can see it. Don't have to go in too far. It just needs to be the width of whatever your pencil will be, the pencil tip. So I've made that hole. I take my fabric, and of course I want that pivot point to be in the corner. So I'm going to place, matching up the two edges, place my template plastic on top, and then make sure I've got enough lead sticking out of my pencil, and I'm just going to poke that in there and make a mark on my fabric. That mark is perfect. It's 1/4 inch from each edge, and this will be my pivot point when I'm sewing. I'll sew to here, sew to here. If I'm doing binding, I'll sew to here. I'll come off the edge. If I'm doing a Y seam, same thing. This point will be what I'm using as my guide. So easy to do, so simple to make. I also like to label my template with what it is, because these are really hard to see. They kind of disappear on the table after a while, or even on the cutting mat. When I've used a Sharpie, Sharpies are permanent, so it's not going to rub off. I just label, this is my 1/4 inch template pivot point, and keep it where you need it. When you're using those kinds of seams, it's going to save you a lot of time. You don't have to consistently take your ruler out and measure every time. You just place that point where it needs to go, put a pencil mark on, and you're good to sew.